I'm about to make the finest burgers a girl's ever had.
Dude, I love chives.
Oh, hello there. What's going on, guys? My name is Alex Whittick, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And from me and Michi, we want to say hello and good morning, or whatever time of day it is for you guys. I'm super excited because right now I'm heading over to Joey's house, and we're going to go for a little hike because I'm waiting on car parts. And how else am I going to spend my day? So I'm going to head out, go for a hike, but the TT is sitting here looking like it always does, good, bad, or indifferent. And yeah, I'm excited, so let's head out. Also, guys, don't forget, we're gonna be doing a 20,000 subscriber giveaway, so make sure you guys are subscribed, hit your post notification bell, follow my Instagram at @tilt_TDI, and when you're done with all the steps, comment done down below. And like I always say, guys, if you've done all those steps, you guys are amazing. Also, this giveaway, ecstuning is gonna be helping us out, so dang, this is awesome. So I'm gonna hop in the car and head out.
What's up, Alex?
You got there, Joey?
Some chives. You want one?
Yeah, let's eat them straight from the.
Dude, I love chives.
All right, guys, I've been eating this for a little bit.
Circuit trip. No, I'm just kidding.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
They are pretty good, aren't they? They're so good.
Oh yeah.
Starting to feel it. Whoa, bro.
Ooh, Joey bringing me the kiwi.
Man, Steven.
Guys, we're heading out for our walk, and Joey's over here addicted to the chives. Joey, what would you rate that on a scale from 1 to 7?
Yo, these chives are amazing. It's probably a 7.5.
Wow, so above the board?
This is gonna be some good wood to burn. We have an X-axe handle. Fun fact for you guys, when you have old pieces of wood just laying around your house, you can actually burn them if you want to get rid of them. You can burn them, save you a lot of time. Very economy friendly.
Guys, we just got some waters. Keep it on the DL, but Joey and I are stealing his mom's Craig brownies.
Guys, be quiet.
Oh God. What would you rate this on a scale from 1 to 9?
Oh my God, this is 9.3.
These sunglasses. Damn.
Construction, the masonry, honestly, like all the chipping that they did, this probably took hours to make.
He's really living it up right now.
I don't know what kind of mushrooms these are, but they are sick. Man.
Follow him on the gram. Follow him on the gram.
Joey's mushroom adventures.
Hike their way up on top of this big cliff.
We just got back to the house. Joey and I, we had a
20-mile hike.
20-mile hike. As you guys saw, we scared those people in the woods, but you know, YOLO, just the way it goes. But Joey's about to cook up some burgers.
I'm about to make the finest burgers a girl's ever had.
Joel, how was your burger?
My burger was burgerlicious.
So here we are a few days in the future. The video had to be put on pause because my parts had actually not come into the mail, and then the next day was the Labor Day weekend, so I took a few days off, but here we are. I'm about to jack this car up. We gotta put a new air fitting onto the bag because it has a slow leak in it, and I hate slow leaks, and I know you guys do as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and jack this car up. Right here is all the carnage from the other side, but we'll worry about that for a later date when we get the parts and repair that. So let's jack this car up and let's put a new fitting on there so we can stop this leak. Oh, wait, that's not how you do it. What the heck? Also, guys, while I grab my impact, let me know in the comments. What do you think about the new slides? Throw it down. Give me all your comments and suggestions. Love to hear if you love them or you hate them. Oh, it's a big wheel. Beautiful. Oh my God. It was leaking so bad that I sprayed it down with spray glue like 2 weeks ago before I actually snapped my control arm. It actually stopped the leak very well, but that is no bueno. So, we got the new fittings. Let's rip this old one off and slap the new one on. Not only are we disconnecting that fitting right there, if we run all the way down, right there I have a bulkhead fitting, we'll be able to replace that entire line. So everything from here to there will be all brand new. No more leak. The benefit I get from replacing that whole entire line from that bulkhead fitting and the fitting up at the top at the bag The one at the bag, it has a slow leak, and it's basically worn through a groove on that line, and that line, if you run a line all the way from the back of the car to the front of the car, you're limited. So if you get those bulkhead fittings or a quick disconnect that has 2 ends on it, you'll basically be able to take sections of your line out that may have been damaged, so that is a bonus on my part. Since there's spray glue all over that fitting, I can't take this off as easily, so thankfully I disconnected it from right there, and I can literally cut this, it won't matter, nothing matters, I can yank on this, and it really doesn't matter at all. So all I have to do is go up in there, I believe it's like a 5/8 or something like that, I'll figure it out. I'm gonna spin it right off and we'll replace this entire section, which is awesome. This thing is just hideous. I got it removed. It's actually a 13 mil, and as you guys can see, my quick fix did work, but it's nothing I'm proud of. So let's go ahead, make this whole new setup, and it'll look beautiful. What's pretty awesome is I actually have a bunch of airline just sitting around the house. I have well, that's still rolling, but I have a brand new pack of it actually still in the packaging, so this is all just spare line for when I make these little cuts, and this is DOT approved. I believe this stuff is good to about 200 PSI, and this is really, really good line. I got this straight off eBay, so don't be afraid to buy it as long as it says DOT approved, but I'm gonna cut a section out of this, and I don't have hose cutters, so we're gonna use an X-Acto knife. Now I've got the old setup, and the length really doesn't matter. I kind of just randomly cut it last time, so I don't need any crazy length to stuff it all back into the tunnel. Anyway, I've got this all matched up to where I want to cut it. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I got a rough cut right here on this new line, and I've got a clean piece of X-Acto knife. This is like a Harbor Freight knife, I believe. We're just gonna slowly push this down, make sure that there's no crazy bend or crease or anything like that. That end is all clean. That's how I recommend you cut your lines if you don't have a cutter. So now this is the exact same length as this guy right here. And we're gonna hook it up to the new quick disconnect. Now what's awesome about this new packaging that I got, it comes with the straight fittings, but it also comes with these elbow fittings. And these elbow fittings are a little bit different than the fitting that came from the setup that I got last time. They came with the bags. The old one has an O-ring on it and this one doesn't, but it has nothing to do with it. This one did not have Teflon on it and this one does. And this one liked to leak, so it leaked from all over. It didn't leak from here, but it leaked from in here, so it doesn't really matter if it had Teflon or not. It still did the job. This basically just goes right onto there. You can't pull it off. It's rated for high PSI. And we're happy with it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and disconnect that and spin this back into the car with a new 13 mil. We should be good on the air leak, and we'll check it out. Ooh, I had to give you guys a pre-assembly look. That is looking so good. I love the black on gold look. One of the things I forgot to point out to you guys that I don't know if you run air, but one thing you should definitely do is chain up a bunch of zip ties just so you're not hitting your brake lines, because if this hits on your brake line, it eventually will wear out, and that's no good. So I'm gonna connect these two and we'll be set. All the air fittings are tight, all the lines are run really nicely, and I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna throw this wheel back on, let's hop in the car, start this car up, and fill the bag up. We'll spray it down with some soapy water, and if it's leaking, I'm gonna be sad. I got the hiccups. I can literally hear this top fitting leaking, and I don't know where it's coming from. I sprayed it down with my soapy water multiple times, as you guys can see. And those little bubbles you guys see right there is from the way I sprayed it, but I don't see any bubbles forming, so this is really aggravating, but I'm gonna try to figure this out. I'm hoping that it's leaking from that bottom piece. So I tightened that fitting down and the leak seemed to have stopped. I stopped hearing the noise and the bag pressure seems to be holding inside. Fingers crossed. So as you guys saw, I got the car off the jack and I tightened up the wheel and everything is looking good. I will update you guys in the next video letting you know how it turned out. On that note, that's gonna be a wrap for tonight's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I really love making the content. It kind of mixed in with the other day and today, so it wasn't so strenuous. Did a bunch of stuff around the house, made some stuff for my parents. I'll include that in the next video, show you guys what's up. Stay hyped for that video. I got some stuff coming in the mail, and tomorrow we're gonna be getting some parts to be fixing this control arm, which I know you guys wanna see this car rolling again, and you wanna see that snap control arm fixed. So that's coming. Also, Weta_Wraps and I are going to be wrapping this car, so I'm really excited about that. I made an Instagram thing the other day, a bunch of people guessed. So guys, we're going to be doing that 20,000 subscriber giveaway, so make sure you guys are subscribed, hit your post notification bell, follow my Instagram at @tilted_TDI, and when you're done with all the steps, comment done down below. As you guys know, as always, you guys are awesome, and welcome to all the new subscribers, and stay hyped for this content, because I am hyped for it as well. And don't anyone put you down. There's a lot of people that are going to be hating on your build. Keep smiling, and I'm just looking at the engine bay right now. I got a lot of stuff to do on them. Got a lot of stuff coming up. So stay excited, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and be excited for the next one. Peace. Now, if you've got a car friend who cares about his 3-piece wheels, share this to him. He's gonna love it. And while you're here, you might as well like and follow.